This is not just a knife. It's a window to many possibilities. Possibilities of taste, flavor, possibilities of taking a vegetable or a fruit and translating it into many dishes. Let me show you a simple vegetable like a carrot and a few cuts and their uses. Ready? Let's go. So first, let's finish the sticks. So primarily, in increasing order of width, the stick cut can be divided into julienne, allumette, jardinière and bâtonnet. For a julienne, you need to slice the carrot first. Cut the tip off and then cut a little thinner than matchstick cuts of carrots. And now you stack up all these slices one behind another, just like this. Hold it hard, tight, and then so this is a julienne. You would use it in salads, for garnishes, for Chinese food, especially noodles. You could also use it for pickling and roll it inside wraps. So in the stick cuts after juliennes, the next stage is allumettes, and after allumettes is jardinière, and the last stage, the thickest, is bâtonnet. So for bâtonnet, we take a carrot and try and square off the edges. So a good bâtonnet is around 6 mm on the sides and around 2.5 odd inches in length. The reason is this cut holds its texture beautifully. So whether you're doing sabzis or you're doing stir fries where you need to showcase or highlight the texture of the vegetable, a bâtonnet works beautifully. Also, if you want pickles and preserves to stay longer, they're excellent for pickling. And now let's move to the dices. It's very important to know how to cut the sticks first, because eventually those sticks get cut into dices. And that's why you always start learning from cutting the sticks first. Now imagine cutting perfect dices from these bâtonnets. There'd be 6 mm, 6 mm and 6 mm cubes. That would be called macédoine. So till you can cut a perfect stick, you cannot cut a perfect cube. Let's start with brunoise. So brunoise is perfect for stuffings. It's perfect for flash fries. It's perfect for fried rice. So anything that you need to stuff, anything that you need to flash fry, brunoise is your friend. So first, you need to cut 3 mm thickness solder strips. And then from these 3 mm strips, you need to cut 3 mm sticks. So now that we have cut a 3 mm by 3 mm stick of this, we just need to cut it into cubes. And this is a brunoise. Excellent for soups. You know, if you want to do hot porridgey soups on a nice winter morning, brunoise is your cut. And now macédoine. The cut that is best suited for steaming, roasting, all your mixed vegetables that you're used to seeing in restaurants, they use the macédoine cut. Sometimes you use the bigger dices of onions or macédoine for stir fries, in a do piazza. That is what a macédoine is. So all you did was cut bâtonnets and then cut it into dices. And that is the macédoine. So if you have to start creating those possibilities with carrots, these are the 4 possibilities that you should start with. And remember, this is not just a knife.